guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my spring Fabfitfun unboxing for you. So I'm just gonna quickly, I don't want to ramble on too much, so let's just get right into it. When I open it up, the first thing I have is the Fabfitfun magazine that comes in every box. That kind of tells about some of the products that are in it and whatever else. But let's jump into what's inside. So the first thing I'm pulling out, let's fix this box here. The first thing I'm pulling out, what is this? Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub Exfoliant. This looks interesting. It's got the safety seal on it. This is what the packaging is beautiful. I mean, look at the lid. It's like a beautiful rose gold. So I just want to smell it. Ooh. I just kind of, you can see what that looks like. That smells amazing. I will definitely use this. Let's put a bit of back on the back of my hand. I can feel that'll be nice. Excited for that. And the packaging is just beautiful. So that's the first thing. The next thing I see in here is by Ciate London. It is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It's not focusing. So let's open this box. It says blendable, lightweight, super soft, focus finish. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks beautiful, and I always love trying new powders, so I cannot wait to give that a go. What is this? The next thing I'm pulling out comes in a little black bag. Let's open this. What is this? To avoid danger, blah, blah, blah. Kauai, Australia, it says on here. It feels like it might be a pair of sunglasses. Yes, it is. So, I'm going to open these up. Oh, these look nice. Let's try these on. Ooh, they are big. But you know what? I really like those. So cute. Cannot wait for summertime. I like those. Those are super cute. Let's put them back. The next thing I'm pulling out is Show Me Your Moo. What's this? Oh, it's just like a robe. Let's try it on. So this is the robe. It just kind of throws over. It's gonna be cozy. I really like it. I'll move that back up. Sorry. Big fan of robes. I have tons of them, so I'm happy I got that. The next thing I see is Makeup Drop, the original silicone beauty applicator. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to save it for a giveaway. I'm not a fan of silicone applicators, but I'm sure someone out there likes them. Ooh, next I see is by Way Hair Care. It is their leave-in conditioner. I love things like this. So excited to have that. Next up, we have the Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. I'm almost out of my last face cleanser, so this is super exciting. It's got a safety seal on it. Oh, it smells good. I will do updates later on everything. And the very last thing I'm pulling out is by Dr. Brandt. It is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So excited to have a big version of this. I just used up my tiny little sample size that I had, and I've been loving it. So super stoked to have a full size, and these are bloody expensive. Anyways, guys, that is everything that I got in my box. Let me put it all back in here. Okay, I got it all back into the box. Super, super happy with everything that I got. If you guys don't know what Fabfitfun is, it's a quarterly beauty box that you get. I think it's $49.99, and you get 4 a year, so you get one for every season. This one was spring, next one will be summer, then fall, then winter. You know the drill. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.